Alright, so this is chapter 2, section 1, ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are an x and a y value. This is a great example over here. So 3 is your x value, 15 is your y value. The one thing I'm going to remind you of here that they don't really talk about is that the x values will travel in the right hand direction or in the left hand direction. And then your y values will either travel vertically up or vertically down. Those arrows are pretty important, so there you go. That little square right there, rectangle, excuse me, can go a long way in terms of understanding. X is always first. You'll either travel to the right or to the left. That's when we get into graphing. And y is always second, and that will always either go up or down on your graph. We're actually not going to be graphing in this section. Don't forget your QR code there. For those of you who have phones that have that application, they have a video there that can help you with this. The order in an ordered pair is important. So if you don't go with x first, you will make mistakes. Okay? X is always x, y is always y. Let's talk about example 1. A group of students is washing cars to raise money. They spend $15 on soap and charge $10 for each car, which is x. The equation for the profit is y, and y is equal to 10x minus 15. So this what we'll call is our equation or our function. Determine whether each ordered pair is a solution of y equals 10x minus 15. Complete the following by substituting the correct values for each variable. So remember, in this first example right here, x is first, y is second. So what they do is they put 5 in for x, so now it's 5 times 10, and they put y, they substitute y with 35. So the question is, does this expression equal this expression? Well, 10 times 5 is 50, and 50 minus 15 is 35. So does 35 equal 35? Yes. So then 535 is a solution of y equals 10x minus 15. On the next one, again, this is x, so 20 should go here. This is y, and they put it here for you. Order of operations, 10 times 20 is 200. 200 minus 15 is 185. 195 is not equal to 185. So down here, 20 and 195 is not a solution of y equals 10x minus 15. All right, one more time. This is x, and this is y. So 50 should go right here. 485 should go over here. Order of operations, 10 times 50 is 500. Now this side doesn't change. This just stays 485. And again, this is 485. Now 50 minus 15 is 485. So then are we putting an equal sign or a not equal sign in there? We're putting an equal sign. And so then down here, 50, 485 is a solution of y equals 10x minus 15. It's pretty simple work. Now this question is a good one. What does the ordered pair 5485 mean in this solution? So what does that mean? Well, all I can tell you is you're going to need to at least do this. And don't forget, this is x and this is y. 45 is equal to, we just did this, so it's no big deal. 10 times 50 minus 15. Now remember, this was what we would call x. This is the number that we actually put in, so it's an input. This technically would be y and would be considered an output. So when you solve this, they should or should not equal each other. So 50 being our input, what does 50 represent? Let's go back to the very beginning. The very beginning. Charge $10 for each car X. The equation for the profit is Y. The equation for the profit Y is Y equals 10x minus 15. So what is 50? 50 is the number of cars washed. We'll put the word amount. Now 45 is our output. Now if these are equal, that means 50 is a solution. So then 485, back again to what it said earlier, the equation for the profit is y. So 45 is the profit. I guess the one thing that I didn't really talk about enough is that profit is how much money you earn beyond what you've expended. So this is a good thing, by the way. The ordered pair XY represents the number of something and something in dollars. So what is X in this example that we've been working on? What is X? What does X represent? It's right here. Cars. All right. What does Y represent? Profit. Now, we've got a couple here that we're going to actually have to do. So determine whether each ordered pair is a solution for y equals 10x minus 15. So we're going to have to solve all three of these. Now, I don't have enough room on there, so I'm going to have to slide this book here and put my paper right about here. This might help. So again, y equals 10x minus 15. So we're going to do 1a. So it's 525. Remember, x, y. So y is 25. X is 5. And then we subtract that by 15. So 10 times 5 is 50. 50 minus 35 is 35. So 25 is not equal to 35. 1b. Same thing, exactly the same. 10 and 75. So plug those in. 75 is equal to 10 times itself minus 15. So order of operations, 10 times 10 is 100. 100 minus 15 is 85. So 75 is not equal to 85. Last one on this page, 1C, we have 25 and 235. So again, this is x and this is y. So it's 235 is equal to 10 times 25 minus 15. So 10 times 25 is 250. 250 minus 15 is 235. So is 235 equal to 235? Yes. So that's the work. All we have to do up here, and what we're going to do is usually we just write the word no or yes. So excuse my hand, but this is going to be no. And we're going to put that 25 is not equal to 35. On 1b, we're going to put no again. And we're going to put 75 is not equal to 85. And then the last one, we're going to put yes. And we're going to put 235 is equal to 235. So this is the way your work is going to look. This is some of the thinking that we're going to do. Now there's one more. It's on the back, page 47. Error analysis. A student claims that the ordered pair 10, 5 is a solution for the equation y equals 21 minus 2x. Do you agree or disagree? And then you have to explain why. Well, you're just going to have to do the work to really know. Now remember, your ordered pair is always x, y. So this student is saying that 10 is x and that y is 5. For the equation, y is equal to 21 minus 2x. Let's move the book. So go ahead and just plug these numbers in. 10 is x, so that's going to go over here. And y is 5. And just follow order of operations. So 2 times 10 is 20. 21 minus 20 is 5. 5 is not equal to 1. So now I want you to think about how you would answer that. It doesn't take a book to write this answer, okay? Just some clear answer would be nice. So first of all, you're going to say agree or disagree. I think we're all going to write disagree. Now as for why. Well, we could put something pretty simple like the input, which is x, of 5 does not equal the output, which is y, of 10. In short, what we're saying is the left side doesn't match the right side. Alright, so we're going to do the practice part in class But when you work on the additional practice later tonight, feel free to look at the video and stop it, pause it, review it whenever you need to. All right?